Hi all, this is our weekly overview for grades 5, 6 and 7. As you can see, each day is broken down into 5 subject areas: English, Maths, Science, Arabic and Specials. You will have these lessons throughout the whole week from Sunday to Thursday. Each day is broken down into 1 hour long sessions, and there's some important areas I need to highlight. So the first thing would be, here we can see these blue hyperlinks. When you click onto one of these, it will open up a new tab for you. So Sunday, week 1, click onto that, and this opens up a new video link for you. Likewise, if you go down through your PowerPoint or your overview, it will open up the PowerPoint section for you. You click on it, and it takes you directly to that PowerPoint for that lesson on that day. So as you can see here, Maths, Session 1, and you scroll down through it, and it has all the information you need. This is for all grades, grade 5, 6 and 7. So each one of those blue hyperlinks takes you to an area you need to go. Down here you will also see certain things like quizzes, uploads, what you need to do. So please take a picture of your notes and questions answered from the slides. You will need to do this on Google Classroom. So take a picture with your Chromebook and then post it up onto Google Classroom. Each day we will be checking at the end of the day to see what you have posted onto Google Classroom. It's very important that you are participating in this every single day. Throughout this time, your participation will be 30% of your grade. So if you're not logging in, just like we do at the minute, we have our Google Classroom grade book, grade 5, 6 and 7. You're so used to seeing that in Maths and English and Science. We're going to use the exact same grade book for the coming few weeks. So your participation is worth 30%. If you're not getting your work in there, not in our live sessions, so our live Zoom sessions, if you can see up here, we have a live Zoom session, and you just click on this link, enter the code, and you're into that meeting there straight away. That's an English one on Sunday morning for grade 5 English. Along with that, we have Mastery Connect. Likewise, you go and find the link on the day you are required to do that task, and you click on that link, enter the code like we've done in lessons before. So I'm just scrolling all the way down here. I'll highlight it here so you can see the website is there, the ID is there, just like we've done in class before. Click on the link, enter the test ID, enter your student ID number, and complete that assessment. That again will be worth a good 30% of your grade. The last thing then is posting all your work on Google Classroom. That is worth the most amount of marks. It's very important that you are doing that regularly. So that means every day you're posting up your English, your Maths, your Science, your Arabic into Google Classroom. So that way we can track exactly what you have done and see what progress you've made and where we need to support you going forward. So that's basically what our weekly overview looks like. And then over here, like always, you enter your test ID number for Mastery Connect. We've all used that before. All the other links should be easily accessible. We've got some here for PE. You've got your Arabic ones, Science ones, and Maths and English. This should help you. If there's any other questions on it, please feel free to contact me through Dojo. But yeah, it's all laid out on our weekly overview. This is going to be posted onto Google Classroom and Class Dojo every single day. Thank you.